Hi everybody, it's Professor Hoffman. I wanted to send a quick video just to kind of review expectations for the first day of class. The first day of class is a hybrid or our online class. If you've looked at the schedule or the syllabus, it shows that every Thursday we have online classes, every Monday is in-seat. So although I don't really like having the first day of class being online, I decided to stick to the format just for consistency. So you do not have to physically show up in a few days to class. I mean, you're welcome to. I will not be there. So this is how we navigate online classes for individuals and families. If you've had a class with me before in a hybrid format, it's very, very similar to that. But I just wanted to quick run through it just so everyone's on the same page and knows the expectations. So you'll need to access Sakai. If you have not accessed it or have difficulties, please let me know as soon as possible, or connect with IT or Sharnetta Boyle. She is our, because she kind of helps manage all of that, so she can help you as well. But you'll need to access Sakai. I'm not 100% sure what it looks like on the students' side of things, but you'll want to go to your social work class 320. And then on the left side, there should be a grid. You will not actually see all of these weeks because, as you can see, they are locked and hidden from student view. This is only so you don't work ahead and out of sequence. I have unlocked week 1 since it's in a few days. So you'll go to week 1. And it will bring you to this page here. So it kind of will show you that, okay, session 1, September 9, it's online. Here's what we're covering. Little introduction, and then it's going to go through outlining learning outcomes. So this is what I hope you will learn and achieve by doing this online class. Now, no, this is not like you have to log on at the start of class, sit through a class at a specific time. This is all done on your own time as long as it's completed by the due date. So you could log off of this video and start it immediately, or you could wait till the last minute and do it, or you could do it during the scheduled time on Thursday. However you want to do it, there's no live component to it at this time. So that's what I hope for you to accomplish. Scroll down. All right, it starts with the learning activities. There's always going to be learning activities associated with each of the learning outcomes, because how else are you going to learn it if you don't have some sort of activity to it? So for this one, it'll just outline what you need to do. Watch these videos, lovely, lovely video lectures by me, kind of going over course expectations and the assignments for the classes. And then there's a comment bar where you'll have to comment following watching the videos. This is part of the get to know you. It's described in the first video, but also 2 takeaways from the videos that kind of like what you're excited for, what you're intimidated by, just general feedback. This is the check and balance piece to make sure that you watch the video and kind of are thinking about the material. So you hit add comment, you type it in, you hit save, and it will pop up on there. Oh, comments must not be empty. So there you go. You have to write something. All right, anyways, moving on, learning activity 2 is associated with the general method, and refresher on that. Get to read my little blurb, watch the video. And this also has a comment section on attached to it as well. I use comments a lot because it gives feedback, like you get to write feedback directly to the page. You're welcome to respond to your peers' comments. It's not required unless it's specified. So you kind of have some reflection on kind of where you're at with the general method. As you can see, I uploaded the wrong video, so I'm gonna have to fix that before class, but this will be the general method video, not the office or the assignment video as is attached there. So helpful. All right, so the final learning activity for this was to get to know your practice partner. So that's something you'll learn in the video, that you guys have practice partners throughout the semester where you do assignments and practice the skills with. So it's kind of getting to know the practice partner. You will go to their comment and respond to it above. Now, I understand not everybody does the assignments at the same time, so you may have to check back to see if your partner commented and then comment on there. They just need to be responded to by the beginning of class next week, Monday. So there's no specific time due date other than just make sure you respond to your peer or to your practice partner prior to class. And some final thoughts, just because a lot of this was just general basic information, I kind of wanted to start getting your brains thinking about like, what does this look like? What do individual sessions look like? So I'm going to have you watch this video of one of my, I love this movie, partly because I love these two actors. They're like one of my top two, top female, top male actors. And so to have them in a movie that involves therapy is just like, mwah, chef's kiss. So I'm going to have you watch this short clip from YouTube, and then you'll need to complete the discussion forum. So I always link the discussion forums directly on the Sakai page. If you click on this, this is going to take you to the discussion forum tab. And so you can see here's what you need to do. You need to watch the video and give your general impressions of the video. I gave some writing prompts. You don't have to specifically respond to each one. But that's kind of the content I'm looking for. I do give a specific word count. If you don't meet that word count, you don't get full credit for it. And then forum is due at 10 p.m. on that date. You will need to respond to 2 of your peers' posts. Again, I understand that not everybody completes them at the same time. So all responses to forums are always due 24 hours after the due date of the original posts. So that'll give you some time to be able to go back and respond to posts that are there. And then go back, that'll take you back to the page, and that will complete your your class for the day. At the end of these, I do put a checklist showing exactly what the expectations of completion are. So for online classes, all the learning activities are due at 10 p.m. on the class date, unless otherwise noted. So you can see here I noted that responding to your practice partner comment is just due before next class, and then responding to 2 of your peers' forum posts are due at 10 p.m. the next day. Everything else needs to be completed by 10 p.m. on the 8th, which is the day of the class. Hopefully that all makes sense. Please come with questions to class on Monday if you need clarification on it. Hopefully this video lets you know exactly what I'm expecting for class participation on the first day of class. And I look forward to seeing you all actually in person the following week, Monday. If you have any questions before then, please feel free to reach out via email. Syllabus is here if you need to reference anything. The videos cover the syllabus content. But there you have it. Have a good one.